Alright, so I'll speak up with the heater going. So bearing housing, what you have here is upper and lower bearings. They're actually loose ball bearings, so if you're lucky you didn't lose a bunch of them down the steering column when you pulled yours apart. You got these two plastic races. I'm going to put some grease on here, stick the ball bearings on, hopefully they'll stay there. And then you just stick it in the housing. No real easy way to do this, I don't think. Just gonna kind of do this. And you're going to want to do this over something that's going to catch the loose ball bearings. And here we go. Something like this. Again, I'm using this Bosch distributor grease. It's a mineral oil based grease, which is safe on plastics. I couldn't find exactly what GM used back in the day, but this should suffice. Hopefully I can get everything to stick in here. I can get this in the bottom. Alright. I'm going to put this one in the bottom here first. Yep, there's always one. Alright, so she's stuck in the bottom there. And hopefully it'll all stay there. I'm going to put a little bit more grease all around there. This bearing doesn't see a lot of high load or heat or high speed rotation, so I think this grease should be sufficient. Yeah, it's not like loads you're going to see on wheel bearings or anything. You see the other end of the race that holds the ball bearings is actually already mounted here on the shaft. On the other side, however, I'll do this one here first. On the other side, there's the upper bearing race and a retainer spacer that goes on top of that to hold that in. First, we got to grease these all up. I believe it's 14 of these balls are in each race. Now, if your plastic race is broken, these parts are available online. Mine happen to be in very good condition, so I'm just going to put them right back in. Really, all I did is just clean all the old grease and gunk off of these. One more to go. Okay. All 14 accounted for. Drop that right in there. Oh, escapee. Should be able to just lift that up a little bit and get that back in there. Again, all accounted for. Put some grease on the inside of this race here. Stick that right in there. That should hold those bad boys in place. There we go. Now this is prepped. I'm going to wash my hands, and I will, next step is to get this inserted into the column.